Hello everyone, welcome to Sango Insights. Now today I want to discuss with you the importance of marketing, the importance of visibility, the importance of showcasing your business outside to the world. Because I was reading an article in Business Daily and the amount of revenues these mega companies collect, the digital advertising companies, the social media platforms, they take a lot of billions. Like the Meta platform, that is Instagram, Facebook. Up to September, I cannot estimate the number, but it was like 3.2 billion. That is marketing only. It is ads. So the reason why people are doing all these things and they are using money so that their business get to be seen. Number one advantage is it creates awareness. Nobody buys something, a commodity, a product, which he doesn't know. He doesn't know where it comes from, who makes it, is it imported, or is it locally made. But if a person has an idea about the product, the qualities of the product, and other people maybe praising the product, or having positive feedback about the product, then that particular product can easily sell vis-a-vis other products which are not known. Number two is it increases revenue and sales. Let's say you have a bookstore and then you use all these social media platforms to make sure it reaches each and every person. Then your sales will increase automatically. But if you are there only selling, maybe depending on walk-in client, a person who uses social media platforms and other marketing agencies will beat you in the game. The third advantage is you will stand out of your competition. If you are selling a spare parts, and your colleague is also selling the spare parts, and you're not maybe marketing, you're not partnering with these influencers, so that because they have huge followings and you can use that huge followings to showcase your business. If you don't do that and your colleague does that, I'm sure he will surpass you in terms of sales, in terms of profits, in terms of expenses also. And that is how business is done. Marketing itself is a whole idea to be discussed, a whole idea to be improved, a whole idea which needs a serious proliferation. When iShowSpeed came the other day, Magical Kenya grabbed him and they used him to promote all these tourism centers, all these tourism attraction centers, so that the amount of his followers he has can be used to market the country outside. So marketing is a vital thing in a business. Marketing is an essential, and if you expose marketing in your business, rest be assured that your venture will grow, your venture will spread, and your venture will be robust and reliable. I'm your host, Fadi Abdurrahman Mohammed. Thank you for watching us. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and leave us a comment how marketing has affected your business. Thank you so much.